Do you know the 5 mistakes most men with low testosterone make when they want to start TRT? Many men with low testosterone symptoms don't know where to start and what sources to trust. It's a lot of information and all a bit overwhelming. Believe me, I was in that place in the first half of 2017. And since 2017, I have been gathering information, talking with TRT and hormone optimization experts from all over the world. I listened, I asked questions, and learned a lot. Most of it you can find totally free on this YouTube channel in over 1000 videos. I also made a popular Facebook group with the same name as this channel, in which many excellent TRT providers help people out for free. There are also links to our other social media under each of those videos. So, if you don't know where to start exactly, do this. Click on the link in the description and go to my landing page where you will find the top 5 mistakes men beginning TRT make. See you there.